Hey guys, I'm meteorologist John Marshall, and how was your Thanksgiving? I hope it was good. We've got a lot of talk about an impending winter storm. It will be a 1-2 punch, and basically today's going to be the better half of the weekend. I hope you guys had a great weekend so far. Lots of people coming home tomorrow. This broadcast is Saturday at around 9 a.m., and we do have something to talk about on the map. Our first major winter storm threat. And what's going on right now, this is the radar from Saturday morning. There's one primary low located over the Midwest. Lots of moisture coming up from the deep south. The two are going to get together and have a little bit of a party over the East Coast. Question is, how much cold air is there? There is not an Arctic high pressure, which is one of the ingredients for major snow in the New York City tri-state area. There is not that Arctic high pressure. But what is going on? We're going to talk about this primary storm that is going to transfer its energy off the, let's say, Delmarva Peninsula near the Chesapeake Bay area for the beginnings of Sunday. Today, no weather worries. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you a time lapse of the European model starting from tomorrow morning through Monday night. Again, this is a 1-2 punch system, and here we go. Tomorrow morning, there will be enough cold air that around between, let's say, 8 a.m. and toward noon out over the east, that there'll be a mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. South Jersey, Ocean County looks like to be all rain. The area of low pressure is close to the coast. There's not a lot of cold air, so that cold air will get scoured out tomorrow afternoon. But north of New York City, there'll be a concern of freezing rain, sleet, and snow as this storm, the European, has hugging the coast. Then there'll be a lull tomorrow night. Once that storm gets going, upper level energy comes down from the higher atmosphere, and that brings down the cold air. Precipitation will go back to snow on the second punch of this thing for Monday. Question is, how much cold air is going to be at the coast? I think it'll be just cold enough for the snow to stick to grassy surfaces along the immediate coastline. The second question is, how much moisture and how much precipitation is over, let's say, the New York City area? My gut is telling me, my full gut, that most of the heaviest precipitation will remain just north of the city, extreme northern New Jersey and through portions of Connecticut. The Mid-Hudson Valley, you're going to be in the jackpot for snow amounts. Now, it's a lot of confusion. How much are we going to get? Lots of outlets are showing you a total amount. I'm going to break this down into two parts. Part number one, okay, good morning guys, I'll get to your comments in a second, is for by midnight Sunday night, tomorrow night, up to a coating. You see the areas of fuchsia through the New York City area, Long Island. I think what's going to happen is we're going to start off with that tomorrow morning burst of snow, sleet, freezing rain. It's just too warm. It's going to go over to rain. This is before the changeover and or at midnight tomorrow night. The reason why is it will be cold enough north and west of New York City for a band of 1 to 3. Sussex County, Passaic County, north of there into the Mid-Hudson Valley. By tomorrow night, you're going to get 3 to 6 inches of snow. That looks like a definite bet there. South Jersey, Central Jersey, sorry, by tomorrow night you're not in this. It's going to be all rain. Now, the second punch of this baby for by Monday night. So you got all that tomorrow night. Now, the second part of the storm gets cranking off the coast. Uh-oh, this looks a little bit different. Yeah, an additional or more precipitation comes our way. So a coating over South Jersey, extreme eastern Long Island, this is not your storm, and coastal Connecticut, possibly 1 to 3 inches of snow on the backside of that for Monday by midnight to Monday night, as we head early into Tuesday morning. Possibly 1 to 3, again, mainly the colder surfaces. It will not be in the 20s in the immediate urban corridor for Monday. 3 to 6 inches, though, just north of the city, in through northern New Jersey, and up through coastal, northwestern and western Connecticut. Folks, it all depends on how much moisture is left over. This is quite an unusual event. It's sticking around. This upper level low is just spinning around and wanting to redevelop that storm as it stalls off the New Jersey coast for Monday. Is the heavier precipitation, if it comes down far enough we'll see a heavier amount of snowfall, but these are the best guesstimates right now. So you got the two maps. We'll go back over this if we can get there. Here, by Sunday, tomorrow night, midnight, okay, before the changeover. Folks, I don't think it's going to be a big deal from the city on south by tomorrow midnight. If you're getting home, okay, but north of town, huge big deal, okay? Especially up in the Catskills, they may get over a foot, foot and a half of snow. And extreme portions of Sullivan County, northern Orange County, up through southern New England, you're going to be loving this if you're a ski hound like I am. Unfortunately, I won't be able to get up there. But then here's Monday night, midnight, with the cold air. You can see 1 to 3. Again, these will change. Don't hone in on it. This is just a general idea. And I'm going to get to your questions right now. You've been waiting for this forecast. Who do we have? You like? Yeah, no shave November is still going on. I got one more day. Do I shave it? Do I keep it? More, I'm here for you guys. Absolutely. And then we got Elena saying she hates snow. She's one of our CBS weather watchers. Okay, so our 5-day forecast, real quick. Here you go. Today, the better half of the weekend. Hey, Denise, blah. What about the horses? Get out there today. All right, so here we go. Today's going to be great. Hey, listen, it's going to be some sun filtered with the clouds. It's going to be a milky sky. We got that going on right now. Sunday and Monday, a 1-2 punch. Remember what I said about Sunday's amounts by midnight and then Monday's amounts by midnight. Temperatures will be above freezing, below freezing, well north and west of New York City, where you're going to get 12 plus inches of snow. Tuesday and Wednesday will look pretty good with temperatures recovering a little bit. So, updated forecast, johnmarshallweather.com. I appreciate you guys following me, and I'm thankful for you guys during this Thanksgiving and season of gratitude that you guys trust in what I have to tell you. You've been great here and on CBS, and I just hope you have a great weekend. Again, I'll have updates as conditions warrant, and enjoy your day. Okay? Take care.